Hi friends, so today let's find people's favorite kind of cuisine and their restaurants.
My favorite cuisine is tandoori and I like Bade Mian for the same.
Chinese and my favorite restaurant is Chinaland.
आरबी फूड आवडते आणि माझं फेवरेट रेस्टॉरंट आहे बार्बीक्यू नेशन.
I like Indian cuisine and my favorite restaurant is Golden Walk.
मला इंडियन फूड आवडते आणि माझं फेवरेट रेस्टॉरंट आहे भगत ताराचंद.
My favorite hotel is Ranjita Dhaba and my favorite dish is chicken crispy.
My favorite cuisine is Parsi food, and the best restaurant in Mumbai I would like to recommend you is Britannia.
My favorite cuisine is Pav Bhaji and my favorite restaurant is Sardar.
I like Italian cuisine very much and my favorite restaurant is one called La Basilica and I like the Italian flavor, the flavor of tomato and basil and pasta. So yeah, that is why Italian cuisine is my favorite.